You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Hazard Station WXL31 in Syracuse, originating from the National Weather Service in Binghamton. This broadcast transmits on a frequency of 162.550 MHz from tower facilities provided by WMHR, FM radio in Syracuse and serves the greater Syracuse area of central New York, eastern Lake Ontario region and northern Finger Lakes.
At 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time at the Syracuse airport, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 32 degrees, the dew point 32, and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was west at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.38 inches and steady. Elsewhere in central New York, in Rome, it was cloudy. The temperature was 34 degrees. In Fulton, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 34 degrees. At Cortland, light snow was falling. The temperature was 32 degrees. In Utica, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 31 degrees. At Penn, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 31 degrees. The wind was gusting to 33. At Binghamton, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 31 degrees. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 30 at Buffalo and 25 at Jamestown. At Rochester, snow and fog were reported, with a temperature of 31. At Elmira, snow and fog were reported, with a temperature of 33. Looking east, it was cloudy. It was 38 at Albany and 50 at New York City. North of the region, it was cloudy. It was 31 at Watertown and 29 at Messina. At Toronto, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 27. At Trenton, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 32. Repeating, at 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time at the Syracuse airport, light snow and fog were reported. The temperature was 32 degrees, the dew point 32, and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was west at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.38 inches and steady. A wind advisory is in effect for the following counties in New York: Broome, Chemung, Shenango, Cortland, Delaware, Madison, Northern Oneida, Onondaga, Otsego, Schuyler, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Southern Oneida, Steubenton, Sullivan, Cuyahoga, Tompkins and Yates, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Northern Wayne, Pike, Southern Wayne, Susquehanna, and Wyoming. Wind advisory remains in effect from 2 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sunday. Winds, northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Timing, northwest winds will increase to 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts as high as 45 miles per hour after midnight tonight. Strongest winds will continue through Sunday morning, then diminish to less than 20 miles per hour by late Sunday afternoon. The following is a winter weather message for the following counties in New York: Broome, Chemung, Shenango, Cortland, Delaware, Otsego, Schuyler, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Steubenton, Cuyahoga, Tompkins and Yates, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bradford, Northern Wayne and Susquehanna. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. Sunday. Hazard types: snow, briefly heavy at times, and blowing snow. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 2 to 5 inches. Greatest snow totals over the higher terrain. Timing: heavier snow will develop from west to east by midnight. The snow may start as rain, especially at lower elevations. Heaviest snow will be from late evening into the early morning hours. Snow will taper to scattered snow showers Sunday morning with localized light accumulations continuing until around noon. Winds, northwest 10 to 20 miles per hour increasing to 15 to 25 miles per hour after midnight with gusts as high as 45 miles per hour Sunday morning. The following is a winter weather message for the following counties in New York: Livingston, Ontario, and Wayne. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 8 a.m. Sunday. Most of the snow will fall in several quick bursts from late this evening through early Sunday morning. Hazards: snow and blowing snow. Accumulations, 2 to 4 inches. The greatest amounts will be across the Bristol Hills and in narrow bands of lake enhancement near the lake. Winds, northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour producing significant blowing and drifting snow in open areas late tonight and early Sunday morning. Low pressure will track across Pennsylvania tonight, bringing colder weather along with some accumulating snow. Strong gusty winds will follow in the wake of this storm late tonight and Sunday morning. Some snow showers will linger over central New York Sunday morning, then Sunday afternoon will be dry and cold. Another area of low pressure will track across Pennsylvania Sunday night and Monday, bringing another round of snow for northern Pennsylvania and central New York. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for Syracuse, Utica, Rome, and vicinity. Wind advisory in effect until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Overnight, snow. Areas of blowing snow. Additional snow accumulation around an inch. Blustery with lows in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Chance of snow 90%. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Areas of blowing snow in the morning. Snow likely in the morning, then a chance of snow showers in the afternoon. Additional snow accumulation around an inch. Windy with highs in the lower 30s. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Snow likely mainly after midnight. Additional snow accumulation around an inch possible. Lows 15 to 20. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour becoming southeast 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Monday, snow likely. Additional light snow accumulation possible. Highs in the mid-30s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows 10 to 15. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows near 15. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and snow showers. Highs in the lower 40s. Chance of precipitation 40%. Wednesday night, showers likely. Lows in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 60%. Here is the National Weather Service extended forecast for Syracuse, Utica, Rome, and vicinity. Thursday, showers likely. Highs in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 60%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and snow showers. Lows around 30. Chance of precipitation 50%. Friday, mostly cloudy with a chance of snow and rain showers. Highs in the upper 30s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of snow showers. Lows in the lower 20s. Saturday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of snow showers. Highs in the upper 30s.
The Syracuse Climate Summary for yesterday, April 2nd, 2016. Yesterday's high temperature of 50 degrees occurred at 9:56 a.m. The normal high is 51. The record high is 87 degrees, which was set in 2010. Yesterday's low temperature of 32 occurred at 11:59 p.m. The normal low is 32. The record low is 16 degrees, which was set in 1911. The mean temperature was 41 degrees. The normal mean is 41. 0.10 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.28 inches. This is 0.06 inches above the normal amount of 0.22 inches for April. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 9.25 inches, which is 1.51 inches above normal. 0.2 inches of snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.2 inches. The total snowfall for the year now stands at 72.4 inches. There were 24 heating degree days yesterday, which is normal. This brings the monthly total to 35, which is 13 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 4,909, which is 927 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 0, which is normal. Yesterday the maximum wind observed was 30 miles an hour from the west. The highest wind gust observed was 39 miles an hour from the west. Yesterday the average wind speed was 9 miles an hour. The normal high temperature for today is 51 degrees, and the normal low is 32. The record high for today is 87, which occurred in 2010, and the record low is 14, which occurred in 1954. Sunrise today is at 6:42 a.m. and sunset is at 7:34 p.m.